So we're in Clovis, California. We just finished installing a faucet out here in the laundry room. This is a Way faucet, and we get these straight out of Amazon. This is a faucet that we've installed in our own home. It's got a 5-year guarantee on it, and I think it's comparable to the main name brands like Moen, Delta, Kohler. So high arc faucet, pull down sprayer, super nice faucet, brushed nickel, and no light down here. Sorry for that. The only thing we connect down here is just to the water supply, so you can see the hot water stubbed out here, and of course the cold water stubbed out. They've got the super long 30-inch long supply lines that are integrated into the faucet, so you just come in and tighten them down. So you'll want to monitor this. You know, we do pretty good in our work, but you do want to monitor this for any water. You know, any hint of moisture down here, weeping, dripping, spraying, flooding. Hopefully none of that, but you know, keep an eye on it down here until you're pretty certain you don't have any issues down here. A little bit of conflict because of the waistline right here. The hose drops straight down onto the top of this faucet, so you know, you can take the hose that's looped around and put it on the left or put it on the right, but either way that weight has to stay up above the waist, and of course it can't conflict with the water lines either. So we got it in a nice spot right there. You may not have a lot of hose to pull out, but I think this is enough to get down there and spray your little doggy. So anyways, we're flushing the water heater right now, so there's nothing on the hot side. You know, hot water's off because we're flushing out that tankless water heater, but you can see the flow here real nice. And of course the spray, and so that'll work out good. And here's your documentation. This comes with the faucet, this little install sheet. This is your warranty from the company. Just some extra parts that they send, screens for the spray head and whatnot. So, and a little tool. This is to take the handle off, the little Allen wrench. Anyways, that's all yours. We're going to leave it here. Warranty card this. We're going to leave you the box as well, so at least you know what it is we installed. We're going to leave your original faucet as well. It's not that old. The only thing I see is it's got a little bit of scaling on it, but you know, it's practically a new faucet, probably within the last 2 to 3 years, I would imagine. This home was built. So anyways, everything here looks good. Outside of that, this installation is done.